Here we go. A Popich personal box of Star Wars, The Mandalorian Chrome Beskar Edition. 50-50 shot at a sketch here. Should be. Let's get weird. The Fighter Assault. I think that's regular. It just looks green because of the image it is. But just the regular refractor on that one. Ahsoka's Ultimatum. Regular refractor. Got a movie poster. Should get the whole set. Let's get the Force. Oh, there you go. That's dope. Successful and reunited. Purple refractor of Grogu to 75. That's pretty. Oh, we got a sketch. Got a sketch. Bam. Look at that one. Mando. In color. Rich Heineman. Nasty. Nasty. Mando sketch. Did we use the Force? And an auto. Like, we're getting the autos with the sketches. We're not supposed to. Beta Trawler. Number to 150, Ryan Watson. Blue refractor auto. Yeah, it says sketch or auto. But both of our boxes so far that is sketch also had an auto. That's pretty sick. And our first box we opened of this had 2 autos. So that's crazy. At least 3 bonus hits in the case. Be more. 1 box to go. That's it. And we're sold out. Poster. Another poster. So should have the full set there. Poster. Another parallel or no? Let's see. We're only getting 1. Yeah, we only got 1. That's where what we were getting is 1 parallel. Number parallel, I should say. Alan, there you go. Mando's sketch and an auto and a purple of Grogu. There you have it.